So, your dishwasher just flashed the Bosch Dishwasher E17 error, and now you're wondering, what does that even mean? Don't worry, let's break it down in plain English. The Bosch Dishwasher E17 error usually means there's too much water inside the dishwasher. Basically, it's overfilling. It's kind of like when you leave the tap running too long in the sink and it starts to flood. In this case, the appliance is detecting a water level that's higher than it should be. Now, what could be causing this? Most often, it's either a faulty water flow sensor or a drainage problem. If the water isn't draining properly, maybe the filter's clogged or the drain hose is kinked, the machine can't clear the water out fast enough. That tricks the system into thinking it's overfilled. There's a quick check you can do yourself. Pull out the bottom rack, take out the filter, and make sure there's nothing blocking the water from draining. Also, check that the drain hose isn't bent or clogged. Sometimes just clearing a simple blockage can reset the system. If the error keeps coming back, though, it might be a deeper issue with the water flow sensor or the drain pump. In that case, it's probably time to call in a technician. Replacing the sensor or fixing the drainage system usually costs around $100 to $180, depending on your location and the exact repair. To wrap it up, if your dishwasher throws a Bosch Dishwasher E17 error, it's trying to tell you there's too much water inside. A little home check might solve it. But if not, a pro can get things back to normal fast.